na Outsparing Show en een video. VTFM, Ekamida, Gaikachi.
Arbinaka, welcome to Outsparing Show. To all the staff of Punjas tuning in this morning, we say Arbinaka and Bulbinaka, and to all the staff of Vinod Patel, maybe on their way to work this morning. All over the country, kita want to speak kimni and we be talking and on the ngau poro tengo.
Right.
And Arbinaka to all the students, year 8 students. Who are in school right now.
Yes.
Looking forward to their last paper.
Yeah.
Say the last day
Right.
of exam, the year 8 examination. And Mwani Ambakigo and to all the teachers and parents. Thank you for the support all throughout the years. And nanamaki na bugdi kaso nanamaki na lubenda and bugdi bitarongi and singa binani kuwa wanda bambulu bekimni na baku loribole na bitol ngoni sala and bina talanga bekimni na pasin dia bugdi bitoka ni bro tabanga ni bitoka ni barongo boli maikin and bina kasama and bina kadems
And bina bekimni na turanga ruang apa katalang kina bekimni kena sar to all the isa
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
tuning in from the bush from the farm in this morning for their house camp.
Yeah.
Farm camp, eh?
Campfire.
Farmhouse. Campfire. Farmhouse this
Yeah.
morning. Thank you very much for tuning in.
From
Yeah.
home.
Farm home.
Right.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. All the best
Okay.
of the farming today.
No mulanga family. Cheneva. Bulbinaka to all the people from our family tree from Kandavu.
Okay.
For being we are through to the Skipper Cup next year.
yeah
For thank you to the Bunituranga family from Cornivia.
Yeah.
And also to the finals. Thank you very much to Naisau
Yeah.
and the
Okay.
Bunituranga family and everybody from Kandabu, all the supporters from Nabosa,
Yeah.
Taviuni,
Yeah.
and Rewa
Yeah.
for the semi-finalist that was happening yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Na boleh betul all the players na tim Rosa basi kata kira final and nangau. Ana benaka vikimni na lubiviti vito kan bulmai na iroro ni wanga buka lebu na maka ke lubu ana benaka war talanga vikimni na lingri garabi na hotel di bulang sarbanua
Yeah.
mana seseorang na tempat ni suka.
Yeah.
Lingri garabi na fesinian ni mata benaka and pagkatang bising. And to all the mothers out there tuning in this morning. Para suka garabi na nangau sama kan nomunti na lamani vale
Isa.
makala ngali little tu ni rongo tu na share rongo benaka.
Yeah.
And na matari kuah.
Not only a coach, a player too. To Eloni to Firoskan.
Oi.
He going down right now to Nanduri to catching coconut. And
Yeah.
I really knew.
Right.
For the driving. Bengarai Voli. Vanubina Karatimi Chambe in Nimbilo ni Riverside.
Oh.
Riverside. They took the ball, they took the cup from us. They took the cup from us, from the Redwater.
Yeah.
From the Mbosau, the rugby union and Kumbulau.
Why they took the ball,
Right.
Tamara? Why they took the ball?
No, because the ball was running by them. Thank you to Firoz Khan and the family from the Riverside Batinuroi, Merikalailai,
Yeah.
for joining this morning.
Esa dono to share na mai sa.
Yeah, well, good morning to our brother here from Barabari Racing Toka.
Ha.
Yeah.
John Kumar.
John Kumar, yeah.
Hey, bye. Bula binaka.
Dar share no to before tina homely girl. Who's your homely girl?
My homely girl is Samuela.
Okay.
Nah, pada murid tu, Mbah.
Animals afraid of human.
Oh.
What's the reason
Yeah.
some animals are afraid of human?
First of all,
Yeah.
because of the first time you met them on the way you treat them. Depends.
Yeah.
Some animals, they have different senses to carry them through the way they interfere with human beings.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with goat. Never mind how you teach a goat who is,
Yeah.
they will still play their game of head to head.
Oh.
Na bisa nga ngabo ka. E manila ba na mo ba marenga tendo na tama ni me, sitina ni me. E nandela ni burong gosen raw friends sarabada ba susulia ba tulbi ko na kanakakarlo man Indonesia.
Iyo.
E na si ado na nga una tolo man singa ya. E na dungkutan na Andrew.
No kaya sambol matu ikan tahu.
Ha.
Iya.
Ono ko kaya bakala ko kay rewa gameli tuki ko ada sini tuki lingana.
Iya.
And head ta ko
Ayan
kaya.
pa. Mele sumay sa makama na unicorn. Amura.
Isa tuki ko sambol matu ikan tahu.
Yeah.
He's a goat now.
Goat.
Iyo.
Iya. Ayo to na kumina tungko.
Yeah. He's a goat now.
Gouta. Agouta go ramate bude.
Okay. Okay, carry on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So whenever you see an animal,
Yeah.
if you see a cat,
Right, go.
if you describe a cat with the water,
Yeah.
kaya makan ruso to iku suiko ya, iku keep on watering him,
Yeah.
he will never be your best friend. Because water is his enemies
Yeah.
That's right.
from the cat.
Ah.
If you see a cat in a drying form,
Yeah.
nangone mama tu kinindo na bush.
Iya.
If you take a water and you pour him every time you met him, he will never be calm. That's why he always afraid of human beings.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
If you see a dog,
Go.
you
Total.
keeping chasing a dog with a stone.
Right. Yeah.
If you keeping chasing a dog with a stone,
Yeah.
his senses is here in the nose. Whenever he smell the stone from the smelling of your smell,
Iya.
Yeah. This is my smell.
yo, Father Sevex. If you smell that smell, there the dog smell.
Yeah.
He will remaining till his life gone from this earth.
Iyo
Na imbo yan na si Mondo niya limibikwa.
Right.
Because that's why if your question ask why animal afraid of human beings?
Yeah.
Because how we treat them in the form of roughly treating.
Dinasar.
Ya, sir nga. Iya.
Dinasar. How about the snake?
Snake. If you see a snake,
Yeah.
they afraid of human beings
Right.
because the owner of the earth is human beings.
Oi.
Even though we are the last one who have been created,
Yeah.
Iya.
we are given this earth to be ours.
Right.
We are here to control everything
Right.
Right.
rather than other living things in this earth. Because we are the main kaya bulim-buli tali maringeti wasibi.
Yeah.
Nandun sa tamanta.
Lion?
Lion is a chaser. Lion is a chaser.
Yeah.
Land is afraid.
Afraid of human being.
Yeah.
Unless and until a human being may bakarita kay ni non nirere.
Oi.
Oh.
Just like this.
Yeah.
Let's take an example. If you see a dog on the street,
Yeah.
if a dog stand there and you feel like baka mo rere, baka mo sukay muri,
Yeah.
that you see the dog's tail start to stand up.
Yeah.
Sandon doon may kinamesa.
Yeah.
If you run, the dog run.
Yeah.
Iya.
See the human being run first, eh?
Yeah.
If the human being run first, the dog then run after you.
Run second.
If you stand still,
Yeah.
he will never come. Because this is our land. Iyo. Kung nanondo kena tamu sa Kenya, nanondo na bura-bura. They are here to control and use the waste.
So the lion is afraid of the man, eh?
Yeah.
Kung gumasalo kay Sahara dito.
Kau kau mesali.
Iyo. Eh?
Ito ba ang rin lindo na robot? Yeah, that's how we live in this earth.
Okay.
Now, before, because maybe we are now,
Yeah.
we are in a weapon
Industry.
category.
The
Yeah.
WPP.
Yeah. Satu na erani,
Yeah.
just look.
Yeah.
Look. In the from Africa, eh? In Africa, eh?
Yeah.
In Africa, there is some people a Masai,
Yeah.
a Ramasai. The Masai,
I
they
thought,
never.
I thought to say the Wakasai.
Siguro ka na makata. The Masai.
Yeah.
The Masai is a kind of people they used to chase and hunt the wild animal.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Even the lion, they afraid of them
Yeah.
because they never wear clothes. They never wear clothes.
So when the lion is sleeping, the lion has the, apa di torso. The lion will stand up,
Yeah, look.
check, eh?
Yeah.
So when the lion see all the naked Masai,
Yeah.
the lion run.
That's why animal will afraid of us when we are no clothes. They just like this, hey, the spear gun. Because when they coming, the Masai when they coming to the desert
Yeah.
to see the lion, they never stand like a formal man.
Yeah.
They in meraba nobo meraba
Yeah.
baka nobo.
Yeah.
They in
Nakakirama ba lagi?
half cook men. Meraba kalero to yan. Yeah, you know, they are half-cooked men. They coming like this with the arrow.
Yeah.
And together with one plastic, not a plastic. Kan ibu niu. Kan tu mga takimibulo.
Plastic
Yeah.
shopping bag.
Kaya umbi muri. In that form.
Oh.
If they see lion kill a fresh meat.
Bulbul.
If they kill a fresh meat. If the lion kill a fresh meat, they will coming. They will come there. The lion will leave the fresh meat and run.
Yeah.
Because in that form, they will coming with no clothes and no place
Half-cook.
and a half-cooked man. And that's how they grow. Animal will always afraid of human beings.
Yeah.
Because this is our land. Na burung-burung kayo no. Even though we are the last that we have been created in this earth, we are the one and the only, the number X in this world.
We are brother man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because they are afraid of the boy and arrow. That's it. Ika meron kanda anon da outs pa lang iso na matang dikuha. Kita mo butin na marutaka. Do ka nga kanibin na pag pamataka.
Gore.
Me rauro tu kini dolo dolo na buning karabitabi. Era sigo binani ko. Kita sal may tawe ke.
Hindi na.
Namu like hat pati ke na share. Rano nga musu ko tu ba like edit taka
Right.
Ko to tu biki muni. Ano namu ni